Okay, so ang mga kailangan natin is a cup of glutinous rice, Ricoa cocoa, and then 2.5 cups of boiling water. So, ayan, what we're doing right now is boiling water, and then we're just gonna dilute cocoa. So we're waiting for this water on the pan to boil. Then we're gonna add the glutinous rice in there. So we're pouring now the glutinous rice on the boiling water. There you go. So makikita niyo, hindi na siya nagbo-boil pag nilagay na yung glutinous rice. Pag may nakita rin kayo mga dumi, syempre, gusin nyo. So, dito sa perfect champorado natin, it's what we didn't put with glutinous rice. So, hindi po na may puro. Lalo kami konting bigas. Like, konting-konti. Yan. So, halo-halo lang siya. Then, until makita nyo na malambot na yung rice, right? Or yung malagkit. Ay, puta! Sorry. Sorry. Part yun ng pagluto. Okay. So, yung na-dilute natin chocolate kanina, ilalagay na natin sa champorado. Mas maganda yung earlier para nilagay na yung chocolate para ma-absorb ng rice. Diba, happy? Yan. Then, just keep stirring it continuously. Just stir. Siyempre, yung glutinous rice, hindi pa masyadong malambot. So, kailangan just halu-haluin nyo and then bantayan nyo. Yeah, until it softens. The glutinous rice. And of course, masarap ang champorado pag hiluluan ng Alpine. We prefer Alpine. Because, bakit nga? Mas masarap ang Alpine compared. Yeah, it's full cream. And also, bakit nga ba?
Because it's full cream.
And then, ano din?
Full cream. Mas lalabas. Dapat lumalabas.
Pwede rin haluan siya ng yung powder. Powdered milk. Yes, like bear
So which do you prepare? The full cream?
Both. You can put both. Like Alpine muna.
Either way.
And then you put powdered milk on top.
We have to add sugar in it.
Yeah, sugar. Yeah. You can add like 12 teaspoons. 12 teaspoons of. I have sugar in the fridge. Yeah.
Yes, complete.
12 teaspoons of sugar. You can also, instead of sugar, you can put condensed milk. Alright, so yan na. Medyo nabuboil na. Okay, so,
We are now putting sugar.
and sabi ng pinsan ko, ano nga ba yun? Happy.
I'm counting.
12 teaspoons.
I think that is enough.
10? 10 is enough? Okay.
For now.
But kung sa tingin nyo, matabang, you can always add. Kahit luto na siya, kahit nasa bowl na siya, pwede mo pa rin add sugar. Sugar. Sukre.
And tip lang, kailangan may...
Lakasan mo yung boses mo.
Kaya ako. Shy type. Tip lang. Tip, kailangan more water to ma-absorb ng malagkit. Yung chocolate, yung sugar.
So, Yun
sa
po
ating
ay half
rice.
cup. Hindi
Yeah,
enough
yeah,
yun.
it's not enough.
Tatansyahin mo.
Oo, it depends. Kasi while it's boiling, na-absorb
Tuyo.
niya
Ah,
through water.
tansya. Dapat
Tansya.
hindi masyadong tuyo.
Oo.
Okay. Thank you, Cousin Happy. Ayan.
Just want to make this perfect champurrado.
So you can wait, like, after putting everything, you can wait, like,
You have to keep stirring it.
15 more minutes
Yes,
until maging soften yung glutinous rice.
yes.
Okay. There you go. And we'll just wait for the finished product for our
A few
perfect
minutes
champurrado.
from now.
Yep.